Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review from Tiny Gifts. These are their Milestone baby blankets. So I have a girl one and a boy one. I'm going to go ahead and take them out and show you what they look like. This is so adorable. First of all, very, very soft. The back of it is all white. And then the top corner says hashtag love forever. Then it's just some white and pink stripes. Then it has months, weeks, days across the bottom. The numbers over on the side, and then they give you two little felt things. So this one could go around the days, weeks, and months, and then this one can go around the numbers. So I'm going to put Miss Raylan on it, and I'll insert some pictures and put that at the end, but I will also show you what comes with the boy blanket. So here's the boy blanket, blue and white, and then the felt ones are different. So this one is purple instead of the pink. And this little guy, I kind of think it looks like a cat that got squished, but I guess it's supposed to be a monster. Either way, I think it's really cute. And Jackson is jealous that I'm going to take a picture of Raylan, so he's actually going to lay down on this one. And we'll take a picture of him after I calculate how many months old he is. That's so funny. So I will insert some pictures. If you guys are interested, these can be found on Amazon. I'll have all their links below. This is the company I also did the baby books for, which are super cool. So I'll link those videos as well. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.